Hello, I'm Gabe. For this problem, we're asked to sketch two periods of the graph of y equals 3 sine of x plus pi minus 3. Let's begin by making some notes about this function. Here, the amplitude is equal to the absolute value of 3, which is 3. The period is equal to 2 pi divided by b, but our b in this case is 1, so our period is 2 pi. And we have a vertical shift of 3 units down. Now we'll want to find the left and the right endpoints of our period. So to find the left endpoint, we'll solve the equation x plus pi equals 0. And we can solve this equation by subtracting pi from each side of the equation. And we can find our right endpoint by solving the equation x plus pi equals 2 pi. And again, we can solve for x by subtracting pi from both sides of the equation, obtaining x is equal to pi. So now we have our interval from negative pi to pi, and if we break this interval up into 4 subintervals, we can find our 5 key points, which are negative pi, negative 3, negative pi divided by 2, 0, (0), negative 3, pi divided by 2, negative 6, and finally, pi, negative 3. Now that we have our 5 key points, let's plot these points on the Cartesian plane. Our first key point was the point negative pi, negative 3. Our second key point was the point negative pi divided by 2, 0. Our third key point was the point 0, negative 3. The fourth key point was the point pi divided by 2, negative 6. And finally, the last key point was the point pi, negative 3. Now to sketch our graph, we'll connect these points using a smooth curve. Now this is one period of our graph. Since we want to sketch 2 periods of our graph, we'll continue another pi units to the left and another pi units to the right. And there we have 2 periods of y equals 3 sine of x plus pi minus 3. Thank you.